So today I'm at meatpacking. Today I'm going to take you to actually the restoration hardware over here. But you definitely need a reservation to come over here. Do not try to come over here without any reservation. This menu is very nice. One of the top places in New York City. Hello everyone. Good afternoon from New York City. So today I'm at meatpacking. It's a beautiful, beautiful spring day and I'm using my new camera. It's one of those DJI Pocket Osmo 3 and I'm just checking it out. Of course, I haven't figured out all the features, but whatever I've seen till now has been pretty good. So this is the first time I'm doing a video. Please definitely put a comment below to let me know how you like the quality of this video. And by the way of introduction, I'm DC. I'm a local New Yorker and I do all these nice videos about my experience in New York and also about traveling around the world. So today I'm going to take you to actually the restoration hardware over here, which is a beautiful restaurant, come like a furniture place. So let's go, let's get this video started. It'll be a fantastic video and thank you for watching my video. Guys, at the Restoration Hardware Restaurant, this is a fabulous place and this is a Sunday afternoon. A lot of people are over here just brunching and this whole place is so beautiful. It's at the rooftop, so it's basically, I think it's about the 5th floor. So either you can take a elevator to come up or you can take the stairs. I just love to come up the stairs. I get free exercise. It's a good Stairmasters, but this is an amazing, amazing place in meatpacking. People kind of don't know about this place too much, but you definitely need a reservation to come over here. Do not try to come over here without any reservation. I'm going to put a link below of all the details of this place. Definitely get a reservation. That's my recommendation. But now let's look at what the food is, what the menu looks like. The ambience is just fabulous. Definitely one of the top places in New York City. This menu is very nice. So they have sparkling wines, Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and other kinds of white wines over here. And they have the red wines, Pinot Noir, the Rosé. This menu looks fabulous. The food menu really looks good too. You can see it's called the morning, so it's basically for breakfast or brunch. So they have eggs, they have the New York lox, and for the table they have, I think this is kind of the shared. So you have the artisanal prosciutto, there's nice cheese, the shrimp cocktails, then they have got really nice salad, and wow, the entrees looks really good too. They have the burger, they have the ribeye, they have lobster roll, broiled salmon, roasted chicken, ribeye steak, the truffle, all fabulous stuff. And they have got, French fries, truffle fries, fantastic food. Not sure what I'm going to get. I'm going to look over the menu one more time, sort of think about it, but this menu is fabulous. Standing at the terrace of the Restoration Hardware Restaurant, the views are just fabulous. And it's a beautiful day, beautiful spring day. It's a little bit kind of windy and cloudy, but still it's just beautiful. It's definitely a place that I would recommend that you come. As you can see, the views are just fabulous of Manhattan or meatpacking. So it's a nice day and I'm enjoying myself. Hope you're enjoying this video too. And if you're loving my videos, you know what to do. Hit the follow button and also hit the like button. That's how I show you all these beautiful places. So your support is very, very essential. So more to come, don't go away. I'm going to show you what we are eating after this. Cheers, guys. We got a glass of French Chardonnay. So let's try it out. Let's see how it is. I really like it. It's kind of a minerally. It's not the kind of the California buttery, oaky that you get, which I don't like at all. I like this kind of French Chardonnay, which is kind of crisp, kind of minerally. So absolutely a great wine for a great place like this. Wow, this avocado toast looks just fabulous. It comes with a soft boiled egg as well, but this is yummy. Let's try this out. This is the avocado toast. The bread is very fresh. Chunks of avocado. It's quite tasty, and it has got a little bit of, they put in a little bit of balsamic vinegar on top. So the balsamic vinegar gives that kind of this bitterness with a little bit of sweetness, and it's nice. So definitely recommend having the avocado toast if you're in the restoration, hardware, and meatpacking district. I think you'll like it. So guys, it was a fabulous brunch. That avocado toast was really good. It's really nice chunks of avocado, and it was very heavy, like very filling in a nice way. So I think you should definitely come over here because the ambience is fantastic, the views are great, the services are excellent, and the wines, the selection of wines is really good. So thank you for watching. If you're loving my videos, please hit the subscribe button and do hit the bell icon because more videos are coming and you do not want to miss it. This is spring in New York City, so I'm going to be releasing videos pretty regularly, and of course in the summer we'll be going and discovering other parts of the world too. So I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. And again, thank you for your support. Until the next time, good night from beautiful Big Apple.